Hey guys, it's your boy Lego here from Lego Bricks, and I know I've not uploaded in a while, but first vid of 2020, and just to show you how things are, my room's the same as it always was. Anyway, as you can see, I've got my Union of South Africa, I've got 6098, my 6052 mock and second mock, the the Swiss Alp fire train, and Hogwarts Express. There should be a video out soon about that. Then you've got the compact crawler crane and the Brutalis over there. But what I'm here to show you today is, well, let me just say, you see the box. 42096 Lego Technic Porsche 911 RSR. And yes, I've actually built it. So I guess, well, guys, this is your New Year's gift. Here it is. Here's the car. And just to show you a comparison of my hand to it, that's my hand on the windscreen. There. Yeah. In comparison to a Lego minifig, however, well, let's take this shock trooper here. This dude, shock trooper. Let's just place him there. And he is dwarfed by this car here. So, yeah, I guess we'll start at the front first then. Because on this, I'm not sure if the real thing actually has this, but I know the real thing weighs like 1.1243 ton. Anyway, so one thing you can do with the headlights, which is pretty cool, is just flick them up like that, and then flick them down. Of course, you can see the sponsors on it, Mobile One, and Michelin Porsche design. Yeah, you can see that, and the Porsche logo there. You can see the 911 logo. There's a vent there, even though that's not the bonnet. Well, that's the bonnet, but not the actual bonnet. And then, as you can see through there, I think it has suspension there. If I just show you there. God. So yeah, it has full suspension on all four wheels, not just the front. So yeah, there's that. There's that. So as we move along a little, you see it's got doors that open, and that's both. Even though the well, it's a left-hand drive, whereas over here in the UK we have what? I will soon. Sorry about that, guys. We have right-hand drive, and I'm gonna have to be very quick about the rest of the video. It's like 11:55 p.m. So yeah, I've just added a little transmission thing because it's on the right. Anyway, it's got a steering wheel which controls steering, little door handles which are just there for detail. Yeah, it's got a rear diff. Christ, shouldn't do that. Anyway, yeah, rear diff. If you can see it just there. Here it does work. You can see it works. And then there's a fake engine there. So boom, baby, it works. And then the thing you've been waiting for, the rear engine. That thing there. I've just added that as like a rear bonnet holder. So yeah, things that we call things on cars in Britain. So we've got the windscreen, not windshield, windscreen wiper. We have indicators, not turn signals, America. We have the boot, not whatever America calls it. The bonnet, not the hood. We have the chassis, not the chassis. God damn America. I truly feel sorry for those poor children. So yeah, car terms American people probably won't be used to saying, because Brits say them: bonnet, roof, boot, chassis. Anyway guys, as for that, stay tuned for more. Let's hope World War III doesn't happen, and let's certainly hope that Brexit doesn't happen. If you're with me, please leave a like, and if you aren't with me, then feel free to dislike. It's your choice, your opinion. You do what you want, how you want, when you want, whenever you want. And hopefully fairly soon I will be putting a video out on how to make that little gun down there, down in that cubby hole there. Yeah, so anyway guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe for more, and I'll hopefully be putting out more content as soon as possible. If I do that, yeah, certainly one of my New Year's resolutions, but that is one Porsche beast. Anyway guys, if you did like it, leave a like in the comment section down below. That's all I've got to say, and see you next time. Peace.